Who would have known that one keyless remote, this baby right here, would have so much power, so much responsibility? Spider-Man, forget him. We got this. I'm Jeff Teague in Raleigh, North Carolina. Today we're going to talk about remote start or remote engine start. People have a lot of questions about it, like, what does it work on? Does it work on my new Toyota? Could it work on a Honda, a Hyundai, a Kia, a Nissan, a Subaru? All those brands probably have this technology, and I'm going to show you how to unlock the secret. I'm also going to tell you why you would want remote keyless entry, because I got a comment and somebody said, that's not impressive at all. Why would you possibly want that? I'm paraphrasing, but they said, why would you want keyless remote? There's nothing cool about that. I actually have a few reasons why you would want it, but first, let's do a demo. The first thing you'll want to do is just remember lock, lock, hold down, lock. 3 steps, right? And you also want to make sure that your car's doors are already locked. So this is a 2021 Corolla XSE, beautiful car, Blizzard Pearl, but can it start with this? Okay, we're going to try it now. Lock, lock, hold down, lock. The lights are flashing. That means the system is working. Holla, holla. Ooh, oh, baby. We are in the house now. We are also in the house starting this up while the car's in the driveway. There are a couple different ways to stop the car now. You can just push unlock, or you can just simply open up the car door. Now, why does it do that? Why would it turn off? We get this question all the time. If I've got the car running, why when I open up the door, does it turn off? Now I gotta turn it back on again. Like, it's so hard. But anyway, what I'm talking about here is, imagine safety. You start it, let's say you're at work, you start it. What if somebody sees a car starting, it's running, they're like, I'm a bad person, I'll get in the car and go. Who's gonna know? Nobody would possibly know, right? So it's a safety precaution. Shut it off, nobody can steal your car in that fashion. Let's talk about the reasons why you might want keyless entry. What are the benefits? Well, number one, extreme temperatures. If it's cold out, in other words, it's wintertime and you've got rain and you've got ice and all that goo going on, and cold temperatures, frankly, if your car's parked out in the driveway, you can sit inside your home as you're getting ready for work, hit lock, lock, hold down lock, and then it'll start up, right? That's pretty exciting, because then you can get into a nice toasty car. It's going to heat up to whatever you have that set at right when you turn it off, okay? Or what if it's 95 degrees and humid like it is in North Carolina during the summer? Well, and the spring and the fall. Well, wouldn't you want to have the air conditioning turned on so it's on 68 degrees and chilly? So when you get into your car, it'll be 68 degrees and chilly. I have mine down at the lowest temperature, 63, 64, whatever that is. Instead of being 95 or 105, oh man, it's so nice. The other benefit, imagine children. You've got little children. How much happier are they gonna be if they get into a car that's a nice, pleasant temperature for them? They won't have that meltdown, that temperature meltdown, so to speak. It's so hot in here, I'm dying. It's so cold, I'm dying, Mama. So that's the benefit too. Oh yeah, this is a 2021 Sienna hybrid. All 2021 Siennas are hybrids now, up to 36 miles per gallon for this road trip beast here. The ultimate family road trip vehicle, right? Does it have remote start? This is an LE model. It normally comes with the base audio system, Toyota Audio, but this one upgrades to the LE Plus package, which gives you Audio Plus. Let's try it. Lock, lock, hold down lock. It's flashing, it's flashing. Oh, mama, woo, 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 woo. It's nice and cold in here. I'm getting in. Love the Sienna. Woo! I mean, if you want, we could try it on this 2021 Highlander. I mean, why not? It's a limited. It's in beautiful Blizzard Pearl color. I love it, right? Well, plain. I think it's gonna work. I think it's gonna work. I think it's gonna work. Jump around, jump around, jump, up and get down. jump, jump, jump. Everybody jump, jump, jump. Another benefit to remote engine start is that your car is going to be warm. Your engine will have already been warmed up. Your oil going to be able to flow a little bit easier through now that we got that going on. We got a little bit warmer in the house, so it gives you a chance to run a little bit smoother. Plus, it's going to be a little bit safer. Imagine you're able to defrost the ice and the snow off your windows or defog your windows or your mirrors. That makes it safer. Plus, it's a more comfortable drive. You're not going to spend the first 5 minutes of your ride going, I am freezing. So the benefits there, I think, are pretty big. And there's no reason to say you can't try it out on your current car. Let's say you have an older Camry or an older Highlander or, I don't know, any type of vehicle, an Avalon. Try it out and report back. That'll be your homework assignment, USA or the world. Try it out and then just say, hey, I have a 2018 Avalon. It worked. Plain. Or you can try it out. Hey, I got a 2020 Camry XLE. Works great. Or no, it didn't work. How do you do that? Remember to have your car doors locked when you start the lock, hold down. Okay? So make sure it's already locked, because otherwise it's not going to work probably. And try it out on your Kia, Nissan, Hyundai. Check it out. Report back what you own. Let's see what works. Here's one more example. This is a 2018 Camry. It's an XSE, silver with cockpit red interior. A 2018 with 53,000 miles, certified pre-owned. It couldn't possibly work on a used car, right? Well, it's flashing. It's gonna work. Everyone, I appreciate you all being here as part of the channel. Remember, I've got great partners that I work with. My sponsor for this video is LastFit Auto Lighting, and they have the latest in LED bulbs, your headlights, your fog lights, your brake lights, your tail lights, inside the dome lights, the map lights. Get with the times, get your modern bright lighting. You can see better, it looks really cool. LastFit Auto Lighting, click on the link in the description section, the video description section, just check it out. Click that link and put in your make, your model, your year, and see what comes up. Type in the code ToyotaJeff and you'll get 10% off your entire order. Thanks for watching, everybody. I know that I've done videos in the past on remote start specifically for RAV4s or 4Runners or just various Toyotas, but we get that question so much. You would not believe how many emails and comments and questions I get from people on Instagram, ToyotaJeff1, on Facebook at ToyotaJeff, or even Torque News, or of course Toyota Jeff YouTube channel. I get a lot of requests. People want to know, how does remote start work? Or it didn't work on this, or what's the technique? I could not get your technique to work, or I could get it to work. I can't believe it worked on my 21 Corolla. Who knew? Big surprise. So it's probably one of the most asked about topics, so it deserves another video. Thanks everybody so much. Follow my work. Huge plane. Huge plane. Safe travels, my friends. Stay thirsty, my friends. I am the most interesting car person in the world. All right, thanks everybody so much. Follow my stories at torquenews.com/Toyota for Toyota breaking news, developing stories, all that kind of stuff. Features, gadgets. Hear about blind spot monitor being added to 2022 4Runner. What? Thanks everyone so much. See you next time.